The aft starboard motor. This is a clockwise motor, and it's wired black, yellow, red correctly. This is the aft port motor. It's counterclockwise, and it's wired black, red, yellow correctly. This is the forward port motor, and it's wired black, yellow, red correctly for clockwise. This is the motor that was replaced in Pensacola. This is the forward starboard motor, which is supposed to be counterclockwise, and it's wired black, yellow, red clockwise incorrectly. Solder joints are poor, need to be redone. There's also solder balls and debris underneath the board. I've got to unscrew the board to get it out, but the yellow wire is blocking the screw, so it needs to be resoldered anyway. We'll take care of that.